What's popping? What's popping, you guys? I am back with another video. It's your favorite BBW. Make sure you subscribe because y'all gonna love this video. And I'm showing y'all how to make a cheap $20 wig look real with the parts. So make sure y'all stay tuned because, like, sis, fucking check this shit out. Like, $20? Cute. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment, share, all this shit. And if you like this video, comment. Like, stop playing with me. Like, sorry y'all, I just gotta, there you go. But yeah, stay tuned. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna braid your hair all the way back. You can put it in a ponytail, anything. Like, it just needs to be really, really slick down and no humps. Like, just whatever you feel comfortable doing. I do the braids because I feel like it makes it flat, so when you put your wig on, you'll never know. But you can do braids, a ponytail, slick down, or whatever you prefer. And then you just put a cap over. And they make caps in black and everything. Like, you just gotta do what fits you or whatever. But I like the tan cap because I'm really, really white, so it kind of blends in very well. This is the wig. It's a bob. I only buy cheap bobs. Like, if you're gonna buy from your local hair store, don't buy long hair. Like, that shit's trash. So I only do bobs because bobs, you know, they're easy to tame. Like, long hair, it just gets tangly at the end and some more shit. Like, so I only fuck with bobs. So this is not a lace front. This is how it looks. So it has a part right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pluck this part to make it look more natural, and I'm gonna brighten the part, and you'll never know it's a wig. A cheap wig at that. This wig was $20. One of these, guys. You know, one of those. Model, $20 wig. That's it, $20. And I'm finna make this bitch look like $300. I'm gonna let y'all see the part again. There, you can see, like, there's no, like, the pluck is horrible. Yeah, but anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a cheap wig look more than what it is. Stay tuned. So to pluck the wig, all you're gonna use is tweezers or whatever you, really tweezers. And I'm just gonna pluck. And I don't do too dramatic plucks, like, just do a little bit. And I'm gonna just show you guys how it looks. And it's not a time limit on this plucking. Like, you just literally pluck till you feel like it's enough. And if you want a YouTube video on this plucking shit, just, you know, comment below and I'll try to make a YouTube tutorial about it. And, like, I like cheap wigs because, like, it is ways you can make cheap wigs look expensive. I do it all the time. If you check out my social medias, all I wear is wigs. And most of them but two were like $20 or $30. I have one wig that was like $500. But just check out my social medias and y'all see all that. So I'm just still plucking till I feel, okay, look at that. You see, like, it's starting to, like, you can see skin is starting to become an actual part. Just keep plucking till you feel like you're comfortable with the part. It's not really, I mean, you can pluck too much, but I don't know, I feel like it's pretty common sense. But I'll make a video if you guys want me to, so just comment below and let me know. Check that part out, you guys. It's looking better. So I'm putting the wig on. Just trying to, there's little clips in here, so I'm trying to clip it. Sorry. Okay, you do not want to see that cap, so just push that back a little bit. Wherever you want your part to start, that's where you put it. I think that looks pretty cool. So don't worry, I'm not done. I know it still looks kind of fake, but don't worry about that because I got y'all. Yeah, there we go. Sorry, my lighting. Okay, so as y'all can see, it still looks kind of, you know. So I'm just gonna do a little more to it. Actually, I think I want my part back a little more. No, right there. So I'm gonna take a brush, and I'll use a very skinny brush. You know, like the eyebrow shit. Yeah, I use one of those. And then I'm just gonna get some concealer, whatever color you guys prefer. Like, I'm very white, so I use white concealer pretty much. But it's just, you know, whatever concealer you use, you can get this any freaking where, like Walmart, your local hair store, anywhere. So I'm gonna show y'all. Just gonna put a little bit on my finger. And then I'm just gonna dab the brush on there. And then I'm just gonna put the concealer on the line on your part. You see? It's looking more and more natural. Like, that shit looks, bruh, like, I'm telling y'all, y'all be sleep on the cheap wigs. It's really a way to make everything look more expensive. I don't need the extra concealer. So now you're just gonna kind of fade that into the part. Okay. And that's really it, you guys. Like, just kind of pat it or whatever you feel to make it, you know, spread out more. And I'm gonna go flat iron this. I don't really need to do that on video. I was just, okay, so that's 2 simple, easy steps to make a cheap wig look expensive and look more natural. Bro, like, this wig was $20, and it doesn't matter. As long as it have a part, really you can make your own part. But as long as it has a part, you can do this. Like, all you have to do is pluck it and add concealer. Literally add concealer, that's it. And obviously this is not a hairstyle that I would put in a ponytail because it's a cheap wig. Like, it's just levels to this shit, so I know. So we just, you know, I'm gonna go flat iron this so it looks way better. Ooh, that's so pretty. And of course I'm gonna go add some baby hair, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna do a tutorial on baby hair, so if you want me to, comment and I will. Just gonna add a little bit of, actually I'm gonna do that on camera. Stay tuned. So I got some scissors. Doesn't matter, whatever scissors you want to use. And I'm just gonna take one of the very, like, front, like right here. Yeah. Just gonna do it on both sides. And when you get in these pieces, kind of like do it diagonal like this. Then I'm just gonna cut this way. Just cut it diagonal, because baby hair is always longer at the end. And then I'm just gonna add a little gorilla. Y'all know, don't play. Got to be glued. Sorry I said gorilla. Y'all know what I meant. And okay, that's about it. So I'm gonna look at my mirror and do this because I can't really see on the live. I kind of cut those too short, but you can see, you know, like, it just makes it look more natural. You see, if I wanted to wear it like that, I could. Bitch, that's cute. Fuck that, I'm wearing like this. I'm gonna add a little baby hair right there. Stop playing with me. Like, I'm telling you, like, bitches be like doing too much. Like, there's no reason to spend all that money. Like, it is a reason, I ain't gonna lie, because my wig was definitely worth it that I spent $500 on. It's worth it. But like, when you need something real quick and cheap, you feel me? Like, peep, sis. Sis, bruh. Okay. Okay. Now I'm finna snap it up.